Ladies and gentlemen, so the lorry arrived here. We are at the moment in the Lockstock, so that's Stuart. He's helping us so much. We are on the Lockstock, and one of the box in the end, you can probably see the people there. It's full of your donations, so everything will go to Ukraine. So I will help them now, and thank you so much. Keep the finger crossed, and if you can donate some money to our account number, that will be awesome, because we have to pay quite a lot. So look, that's skills. That's amazing. We are the best team ever, are we?
We are the best team, we are.
Yes, we are now in Oswestry when that lorry with that amazing skills is reversing with our last container, and after that we're going to Wrexham.
We are.
Yes. Mwah.
Mwah.
Ladies and gentlemen, lorry number 61 is nearly full. Look at that. It's all going to Kalisz, the charity called Bread of Life, and also from Kalisz they will go to Ukraine. Unfortunately, I cannot tell which part of the Ukraine, but most of the wheelchairs and the medical equipment, and also for children, clothes and school items will go to you guys.